What's up, everybody? Good morning. We're here on the Nugsmasher Pro line. I'm here with Scott. He's the main foreman on this line. It is harvest season, ladies and gentlemen. Harvest season, and we're selling pros like crazy, so we thought we'd do a quick video on them. This is a pneumatic over hydraulic unit. It has the great big plates on it, which are 10-inch by 7-inch plates. It's actuated by this arm, and then completely, the airflow is completely adjustable, so you can adjust the speed just with a little turn of a knob here. It has dual PIDs, so top and bottom plate are heated individually. Now, each of these plates have 3 heaters in them, right, Scott?
Yes, sir.
There's 3 heaters in each of these plates, and they're 160 watt heaters each, so it's perfect for the mass of these actual 1.5 inch thick by 10 by 7 by plates. So great big heat plates on the thing. It has a big 20-ton ram inside of it, and you also have the gauge here. You have this sticker on here for a quick reference of what sizes, surface area you can put in for flour and whatnot. But we encourage you to use the Nugsmasher app when you're using the Pro, because you have the exact calculator. You can calculate for hash extractions or flour, so on and so forth. Even your carbs, all on the Nugsmasher app. It goes hand in hand with this gauge and the surface area size that you have between the plates. So not only Nugsmasher Pro, but the Pro Touch. We have several of these going out today. Let's go building. This is Nugsmasher Pro Touch. Now these are very heavy machines. What are they, 240 pounds?
Yeah.
240 pounds a piece, so they're super heavy machines. Now this is a pneumatic over hydraulic unit as well, same as the Pro, but you have all the feasibility of the IQ screen, so it gives you all digital feedback with pressure, surface area. You have the whole IQ computer in the Nugsmasher Pro, so it's really neat. It's a 10-inch interactive passive touchscreen on the Nugsmasher Pro. Both work the same, great units. Some few other attributes on the Pro, like the logo on the top and whatnot, but really good machines. We actually have thousands of these all over the world with a lot of the big manufacturers. So harvest season time, guys. Appreciate you thinking of us at Nugsmasher. And another good solution too, here to harvest, is the Nugsmasher IQ. You can see the IQ is being built here. Nugsmasher IQs can be tethered together. They all can be operated from the Nugsmasher app. It's a electric over hydraulic unit. This has the 4-inch by 6-inch plate, so it's a little smaller, but with 3 or 4 of these, you can really do a lot of extractions, and you can lock your formulas down. You can have an operator lock your formulas down. The operator can't change to change your results and your quality. So, right, anything I leave out here, Scott?
Yeah, that's about it. Ready to go.
Harvest season, guys. Get yours today. We got Nugsmasher pricings at the all-time low. We ship them right here from our factory in Arizona, our 122,000 square foot state-of-the-art factory here in Arizona. This is where we ship them all from. We do customer service here. We answer your chats from here. This is where it all happens. We build every piece of these machines right here in our factory in Arizona. So thanks, guys. Until next time, appreciate it. Subscribe, tell a friend.